I have an SE error code on a Samsung free-range oven. The model is NE595R0ABSR Date Sept 2012. Tried resetting a few times but code persists, and will not allow the oven to function. Can you help point me to the part that needs replaced?
What happened just before your Samsung range displayed this message?
I was actually out of town and came home to this error code. The burners are working but the control panel to set the oven isn't responding. Only flashing SE. About 6 months ago I did hear a pop noise and a flash that came from behind the stove in the top right-hand corner, but nothing else happened at that time and the stove has worked fins until now.
How long has this been going on with your Samsung range? What have you tried so far?
It happened Monday. I came home yesterday. I have unplugged the appliance for 10 minutes. I also flipped the breaker to the appliance off for 10 minutes and then turned back on. Initially, when it gains power again, the clock will flash to be set, but 10 seconds later the conv. Oven 350 displayed, then a series of beeps and the SE code flashes. The SE code continuously flashes without ceasing now.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nothing I'd now think of.
Hello, my name is would be happy to help you. Have you tried tripping the breaker off for 10 minutes to reset it?
34. I also flipped the breaker to the appliance off for 10 minutes and then turned back on. https://drive.google.com/files/d/1rg1lnhbkw5xgia2fj9y8_lm_keating/view. USP equals sharing. Here is my manual. Hello?
Okay, thanks. With my experience, this means the touchpad is faulty unfortunately and will need to be replaced. I will give you the part number.
Okay. Thanks.
You will need to order and replace this part #DG340000208.
Great. Thanks.
Sometimes the control board that it plugs into has to be replaced as well. Unfortunately, there is no way to determine until the touchpad is replaced. You are welcome. I'm sorry for your trouble. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is Customer. Hope you have a great. Please don't forget to rate me. Please give me a good rating.
This. http://www.samsungparts.com/products/parts_and_accessories/PDG340000208.asks. Model equals N.E. 59J3420SS.
This is the part number for the control if you need it. Part #DE9203045F. Thank you very much.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.